Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix your Skype app. To know how to fix your problems on Skype, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about your Skype app. Here we click for stop. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You'll find an install, you can click on it and you can wait a moment to install again your app to fix that problem you have on your application of Skype. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.